Today we will cover removing and replacing the end cap on a Sentinel V. We will also cover placing oil in the pressure sensor orifice. Along with your Sentinel V, you will have received a toolkit bag. In the toolkit bag are, among other things, an Allen key that allows you to remove the hex screws here on the end cap. There are 4 hex screws. Let's start off. For ease of use, I have a 4mm hex with a handle that is much easier to use. Now that we have all 4 screws loosened, we will take the end cap and remove it. As you will see, there are connections to the battery.